Ya kaunti ya Meru, cukuru ya NTHAKA ya Meru niyo Meru School nionanĩtie ũtamba bwayo kĩgerio gĩa Kcse mwaka mũthiru. Meru School irerari na arutwo 399 nĩgwatĩrĩte kanya ka 39 Kenya yonthe. Cukuru ĩngĩ nĩonekete kutharĩra ingĩ iria irĩ Meru arethingatĩri-inĩ ya NTHAKA ya Nkobo iria ikanyenya ka 48 nayo St Mary's Igoji yagwatĩra kanya ka 58.
Marithwa form 4 kuthabaithia kĩgerio gĩa Kcse na gwetera bime bikai na nĩ mũthenya wa narua. Minister wa gĩthomo nene Kenya no Professor Magwa nombere gũtongera rwang'iro ithomo kuthabagita Mpumi na nene kaunti ya Meru. Cukuru ya Meru School nĩ ĩtongerete nene kaunti ya Meru inamba 39 ndene ya Kenya ina minisiko 8 ethingatũri cukuru ya Nkobwaĩ inamba 48 ina minisiko 8 na cukuru yarĩ St Mary's Igoji yetho inamba 58 ina minisiko 8 tukerania munini wa mwarimu munene wa cukuru ya Meru School awĩrĩka gĩtaka baragerete arito 399 na kiribo 18 bagwata
We are a candidate of 399 candidates, and out of that, A-plane we got 18, A- 76, B+ 71, B 85, B- 55, C+ 61, C-plane 21, C- 10, D+1 and D1, a mean of 8.9649, a mean grade of B, plain, a slight drop of 0.007 from what we got last year.
Na nĩ kũringana na mwarimu ũyũ gĩcunjĩ kĩa 90 kĩa arutwo ba Meru School ethwa bagĩte university.
That translates to 91.7% transition to university. 91.7% transition to university. We want to thank God and thank the teachers for the good work. We also want to thank our principal, Mr. KUTHARA, for leading this team. And we want to appreciate what God has been able to give to us, looking forward to get better performance.
Agwa Kenya KUTHARA arutwo baba ibonete mweja kunyuri mantu ya corona ibaciometie.
No, candidates doesn't matter, but you understand the corona issue and how we were able to stay at home for a long time. But when we came, teachers were able to catch up and try to bring them up, and you can see we have a positive improvement in terms of higher grades.
Nkiripotra, we're weekend, betamu Murioki.